Hey, Dave
Potential
Knacker at
TXF on MQ.
one23daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being
Trapped
here.
orders with exhaustion box on MQ.
All right, this person is going to keep on talking in the background. We just got to deal with it. Look at that, 1157.5. Guess what happened today finally? It hit the 53,000 mark, right? Where's the other? So let me finally I get to do a screen draw tool on this, right? 138.74. Here's your rhythmic confirming that. 32. Yes, that's 32 separate EAs. And this is my fourth PA, I believe. Fourth or fifth. Now the goal is to stay in the PA. My overall goal right now is to get to 55 or 56,000 and then request a $2,000 withdrawal. And that itself will be a big goal for me,
on RVY.
Considering I didn't get paid in 2022 as a day trader for the first time in 5 years. So that's the overall goal. So you'll get the 50K again in a PA, and the object now is to take, instead of going to 3,000 profit, I wanted to do 5,000 to 6,000 profit and take out 2. So I'm leaning to go into 56,000 overall and get that account to 56, and then take your withdrawal you can take first is 2,000. So I think you can do 2,000 twice, and then the third time you can take out whatever, but usually I think they put you at funded at that point. So that's the overall arching goal right now in my account. I want to pause here. I want to show you the trade that won it for me. We'll talk about it. Hold on. All right, so you're looking at the 10-minute, excuse me, this is a 240-minute, which I believe is 4 hours, right? Yeah, 4-hour chart. What I was looking at today, if we were going to bust through, was this level right here. What could we get to? So 1725, below that, we could run down.
Potential TXF on MQ. Trapped orders with exhaustion box on MQ.
All right, so you're hearing her talk for a minute.
Potential elevator on MQ.
I want to change this to, so this is the top of the chart, right? 240. And then this
Trapped
is
orders with exhaustion box on MQ. Potential TXF on MQ. Potential elevator on MQ.
1737.4
Elevator
right
on
here.
MQ. Potential TXF on RVY.
Oh geez, shut the hell up. It's extremely annoying listening to that girl in the background, computerized voice. So this is I believe this is the hourly chart. So I was looking for the market to bust through here, and there was a level of over, if you go scroll to that side, this was a considerable number to break through. Once it did, this was the win basically that I caught to this
Trapped orders with exhaustion box on MQ. Potential
specifically the
TXF on
last trade
MQ.
that I caught. So let's stop this one. Going down to the 10-minute chart, you see the break here. So this is the 10-minute
Trapped orders
break.
with exhaustion box on ES. Elevator on
Going
ES.
down.
Double
This
TX
is,
on ES.
I think this is
Potential
Yellen
TX
talking
on
right
ES.
there later, saying that
Trapped
she's going
orders
to
with
put
exhaustion
the
box
deposits
on
together.
ES. Potential elevator
Shut
on
the
ES.
hell up! My gosh, if I could just shut
Potential
the ES
TX
up a
on
little
ES.
bit.
Potential double TX on ES.
ES is going nuts right now. It's close to 4. It's actually the 4 o'clock mark, so maybe I'll have to do this a little bit later in the day. So this is the trade setup below that mark, right?
Potential TX on MQ.
Making a low and running down. 1708 was the low.
Trapped orders with exhaustion box
But
on
if you
MQ.
would go back and look at it, going this way, you would notice that 1708
Potential
was
TX on
kind of a mark
MQ.
that could run down to. Alright, so that's the 10-minute chart. The specific trade that I want, the specific trade, not Pacific, the specific trade that I won on was this right here, coming here and taking this move right there. And I trailed my stop behind it, kept moving, kept moving, kept moving. I believe I came out somewhere in that area before this move right here or any of that move. So I was done before this or that. This move right here got me above 53,000.
Potential TX on ES.
There's your setup signal.
Potential TX on ES.
There's your X box. There's your zone of control. Everything was looking good. This is your happy faces right here. And looked like a beautiful setup according to Apex Investing in the boot camp that I'm in. So this was the trade that won it for me. Boot, not bolt. So, and I trailed it. Now, according to their rules, you would have taken 2-bar profit and got out. I'm like, screw that. This is a nice setup going after the 1708 if it breaks through. And I took some wins over here as well. But this is the big winner that I had that got me above the 53K mark right here. So a beautiful setup. The bias was down into the trading afternoon. I was looking at 2 o'clock to 3:30. That was my window, my hour-and-a-half window that I was looking at trading. I ended up trading, I had the CL market. I was only looking at the CL market to 2:30. And then I moved over to just the RTY at the after the 2:30 mark. You notice that it was 2:38. So I was looking over on the CL, which is on another screen to the left, and I was able to take advantage of a nice trade setup here. So the setup itself, I don't know what all that means, but it's a Xbox. Basically, most of the signals at Apex Investing on the boot camp deal with having a trapped Xbox. This is a pretty significant area, ZOI they call it, zone of control or zone of interest or something like that. So touching it, you have your area going back. This is showing, and then you have the ODD setup on it. So there's a lot of things confirming here this particular trade. We talked about the SLZ, I believe, yesterday. ODD.
Potential
So very
TX on
specific
MQ.
setup I was looking for.
Potential double TX on MQ.
This was confirming
Trapped
to
orders
get
with
into
exhaustion box on
it. You
MQ.
can see it right
Double
there.
TX on MQ.
Alright, so once again I finally got across. So the next 4 days again, what I need is ATM3. I showed that, I don't know if I showed it or not. It was extremely annoying here a minute ago. I have a 2-tick stop loss and 11-tick profit target. I have $138 to work with and have 4 trading days to get to the PA. They don't have, the EA doesn't have
Potential
some of the
TX
other
on
things, the
RVY.
30% rule and other things that the other side has.
Potential SLZ on MQ.
Okay. So the PA has some specifics that you got to follow. I don't see it being a problem as I'm trading 1 or 2 contracts right now. And going
SLZ
after
on
profit.
MQ.
All right. Really, that's about it. I'm just thankful that I've finally been able to get back to the PA. You know, but that's just half the goal. I mean, it's just like, I guess it's 1/4 of the goal at this point. Next to have a successful PA that actually I'm able to take real money away, and that I haven't been able to do that at Apex yet. So this is something that I've worked hard to get myself back to. it was a conducive market for me as far as being able to trade it. I had 3 really nice trading days, and I had my winning days, 154 ticks, 95 ticks, and 115 ticks. So that combined on 3 trading days got me above the 3,000 mark. I maximized my gains on um, my trading winning days, so I was able to continue to improve. I think I was down about 300 bucks a day before I moved the other direction, and I just slowly took profits away from the market. Like I said, this was my last win. I think that win about 600 bucks on that last win. So I was watching it went from 52.7, 52.8, 52.9, 53,000. I wanted to get out then, but I wanted enough. I figured if I've been here before, if I can take advantage of a nice move and get it above 53.1, I believe I could do 4 days and make the next 4 days, taking a 1 or 2 tick stop out and going after a profit target just to get the day count down so that I can get back to the performance account, the PA. All right, that's it. I'm gonna be in the room today, or I mean not the room. The just thankful I'm moving on. That's about it. I don't. This is just step one of many steps I need to make right now to hit my goal of being in the top 10%. Top 10% of traders make 100,000 a year, and this is just one part of the step one of getting there, passing the EA at Apex, so that I can move into the PA that actually can get paid from. And then the next step would be to take that account to the next level, take one of these other accounts using the trade copier, maybe getting the chart trader and other things as time moves on. Step one, though, is to take this EA to the PA to another level, and then open up another account once I get comfortable enough with my trading and proved that I can stay in the PA. That's goal. That's my goal right now. Stay in the PA, get paid. That's my next goal. All right. Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me for all these years, and those that have been here from day one. It's been a long journey, and I'm nowhere near done. So the goal is to eventually get out of the casino business if I can, or at least work there because I want to, not because I have to pay the bills and whatnot. All right. Talk to you later. Bye for now.